Hey, today I want to talk about the important topic of tax refunds in bankruptcy cases. If you file bankruptcy, is your tax refund protected? Now the answer to that is, in Nebraska, the first $2,500 of your tax refund is protected by an exemption law we call the wild card exemption. In addition to that, your earned income credit portion of the refund is also protected. So you can protect that amount of your refund. If your refund, however, is more than what we can exempt and protect, that can be a big issue. And in those cases, you may choose to wait on the bankruptcy and to file it after you've received your refund, and then spending down the refund to a level we can protect. There are some important rules about tax refunds when it comes to bankruptcy. Number one, when you receive a refund prior to bankruptcy, if you pay back a loan you owe to your family, which is a real common thing to do with a tax refund, that payment is considered to be a preference, and it has to be disclosed on the bankruptcy schedules, and payments made to a family member or a business partner within a year of bankruptcy have to be disclosed, and the bankruptcy trustee has the power to reach out and to take that money back from your family member and to redistribute it to all your creditors. So it's important. Don't use your tax refund to repay family loans prior to bankruptcy. You can pay them after the bankruptcy is filed, but don't pay them before. A second rule is that if you receive a substantial tax refund prior to filing bankruptcy, the court wants to know when you got the refund and what you did with the money. Ideally, your bankruptcy schedules should exactly state and provide the court with an accounting of who you paid with that tax refund. If you don't provide that accounting in the bankruptcy schedules, what's going to happen is when you attend your court meeting, the bankruptcy trustee is going to look at you and say, "What did you do with your tax refund?" And for the first time, you're going to have to explain where all that money went. And some of these tax refunds are very substantial, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, that you're going to have to explain on the spot where the money went. Usually that doesn't go so well for you. Usually the trustee uncovers that money was paid to somebody that they can take it back from, or that there's more money sitting around that somehow didn't get disclosed on your bankruptcy schedules. So make sure your bankruptcy schedules show what you did with your tax refund. Another important rule to keep in mind is that tax refunds can be prorated throughout the year. So if you file a bankruptcy, let's say around October 1st, and there are 3 months left in the year, the bankruptcy trustee, if they know you have a substantial tax refund coming a few months later, they may actually make a claim on your tax refund for cases filed in October, November, December. And they might claim 75%, 80%, 90% of your tax refund. So it's very important at the later months of the year to schedule that tax refund as an asset on your schedules and to see if it's protected. It's very common that people come to us to file bankruptcy in the last part of the year, and we advise them to wait until after tax season to protect that tax refund. Now, if you have questions about whether your tax refund is protected in bankruptcy or other questions about this topic, please call us at the number below or visit us on our website. Thank you for watching.